Welcome. If you want to hard reset your Huawei FreeBuds Pro, at the first you have to go for the Bluetooth settings on our Android phone. Then we have to open charging case. When the status change to the connected, we have to tap on the settings icon. At the first we have to disconnect them, then tap to forget device. And right now we have to keep and press and hold this button on the right edge on the charging case. So click and hold. After that, this indicator will be blinking on the white color, and when it changes to the red color, we have to release that key. As you can see right now, it changed to red, so release the key, and after a few moments it will change to the white color, and it means that the hard reset process is finished. So right now we can connect this device another time. So click here and then tap. So click to pair, and as you can see right now they are connected second time, and we can use them or just pair to another smartphone. As you can see, the hard reset is very easy. All we have to do is just to click on this button on the right edge of the charging case. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.